Don't study like this. Every day I'll tell myself, today I'll study with full focus. But this is me. Starting with full focus, full sincerity, and ending with highlighting important questions and yarning up my way to sleep. Relatable, right? When I joined one of the biggest colleges in the town, I was excited. I thought, this is it. I'll study hard, I will understand everything, and I will top. And for a while, I did it. I loved learning, understanding, passing by. But these top qualified teachers forced us to only focus on so-called important questions. On the exam day, I used to pray for the God, hoping same questions would appear on the exam. But I felt sleepy. My hands would tremble as I struck through every answer in panic, and my time used to continuously flows on. I used to strike every answer in panic, and at the end, my final resulting is used to be failed. After that, I opened my books again for the first time. Without fear, I didn't care more about marks. I just wanted to know how things actually work. And suddenly, learning felt very peaceful. See, your brain is not a photocopy machine. It's just a processor. Stop feeding it junk, feed it understanding. And the main thing, study not to pass, study to oversmart. Understand the why, not just the what, the why. If you are the someone who was just circling the questions and hoping for the luck, I've been there. And it doesn't work. Marks may come and go, but real knowledge actually stays. The final conclusion. This is for every student who feel lost. Don't study like this again. Learn smarter, learn real. From your brother who learned it the hard way. That's all for the video. This is your fair Karthik signing off.